Hello everyone. Now, if you want to make your audio file better, there is a simple technique. That I like to use. It's very quick, so I usually record a small audio. Hello everyone. Now I am speaking. It's not terrible, but we can make it better. So I double click. Now I usually remove the noise. So I usually leave a lot of audio space at the beginning and remove the noise by doing like this. Noise reduction, get noise profile. Then we double click everything, and again noise reduction, and okay. So we basically remove the noise. Hello everyone. Now I am speaking. If there was some background noise by doing this, we have removed it. Now double click and everything. We go on effect. We go on normalize. I usually normalize on a little bit lower. I made some experiments. I don't really know exactly what it means, but it usually leaves a better audio. And here we go. Hello everyone. Now I am speaking. There is still a bit of a weird voice, honestly, but that is usually what I do. And if I don't like it, I go back, normalize. Let's go with something 0. Hello everyone. Now I am speaking. Hello everyone. The audio is better. It's a lot higher. The volume is a lot higher, but it's actually quite better. Now I go usually and do change pitch, and I change the pitch a little bit lower so that the voice appears a bit lower. Hello everyone. Now I am speaking. So that is it. That is how I usually create a better audio. And now I am speaking. Hello everyone. Now I am speaking. You might not hear that much the difference compared to the beginning, but when you have a crappy microphone, this process will really help you a lot. So it depends by the audio file of that. It depends by the quality of the audio that you have. If you have a great microphone, you might not have to do anything. But if you have a pretty crappy one, this process can really help you and remove a lot of the remove a lot of the bad aspects of your microphone. So this is something that I recommend. So that is everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.